Hello everyone. यहाँ पर गया. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about email marketing. Now we're going to Google and we search email marketing. Email marketing, we're going to first link best email marketing softwares. Email marketing, email address, for example APTUL Jafar. Start your free trial. Please back to the video and email marketing. Open first link, email marketing. Now powerful features, minimum efforts, design beautiful campaigns, smart segmentations and time optimization. Our powered system will minimize your engagement by sending email at the perfect time. The real-time report. Keep tabs on how your campaigns are performing. Dig deeper into sites to make smart decisions for future campaigns. Look these pictures, and now do we do more with automations. Automation repetitive takes to reach the right person at the time without delay. Build custom automation work flow for email and customer experience consistently improve with A/B testing. Send the best version of email campaign every time. A/B testing leads the higher open rates and more conversion for any email. Be yourself in every email and send. Now fill this email and sign up for free. Sending Blue has all the necessary integration for your success. Connection your favorite apps to web services and more with your marketing and transactional email. Did you know 50% of e-commerce revenue comes from email marketing? We have built powerful integration with the biggest e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and many more. These are the Shopify and PrestaShop, WordPress, Magento, BigCommerce. We are beast. Don't take our word for it. Campaigns that trust us. Heineken, Nestle, BMW, Michelin, Hermes, Paris. 3,000 business 3,000 3 lakh businesses trusted us. For example, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Test drives Sandy Blue for free. Okay, Sandy Blue solution company resources. Email, SMS, Facebook chat, RMC, and many more all in the platform to help you grow your business through building stronger customers and solution. Features enterprise offers. Sandy Blue versus MailChimp. Service Lab partners with company about job press our carbon footprint, contact us, resources, blog, help, Suntain Blue Academy, glossary, and plugin, API doc, status, find an expert. And now we go back to search about what is email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing. The use of email within your marketing efforts to promote our businesses, products to services, as well as incentivize customer loyalty. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customer on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. It can also be softer sell to educate your audience on the value of your business brand or keep them engaged between purchase. It can also be anything in between. MailChimp can help you design, build, and optimize your email marketing to get best ROI in your marketing program. Level up your email marketing. This picture is showing email marketing. What is email marketing? As briefly history of email marketing. The very first email was sent in 1971 by a computer engineer named by Roy Tomlinson. The message has sent to just a string, a number, and letters, but it was beginning of a new era of communication. Tomlinson was also the person who introduced the usage of at symbol is email addresses. In 1978, a marketing engineer manager at digital equipment for the name Great Truth used this new method of direction communication to send the first commercial email to people know about a new product. His email is had 400 addresses, but the emails sent resulted in about $13 million in sales. Advantages of email marketing and tips of building your email marketing list. So about okay. Related concept of explore email campaign tips, how to build an email list, email templates. Okay guys, thank you so much. Goodbye.